Hi, I'm Sammy with Bar Under the Stairs, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Spanish gin and tonic. Spanish gin and tonics are all about adding things that bring out the flavors that are already in the gin. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with my favorite gin, the Bitter Truth Pink Gin. We're going to do a couple dashes of Angostura bitters right into the glass. So I'm going to cut a whole orange wheel. And I'm going to take this orange wheel and I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to stick one half of it right down into the drink. I went ahead and steeped some spices in some water ahead of time and formed them into ice cubes. So I made one spherical ice cube out of cloves, and this is just going to add flavor as you drink the drink. And then I made one out of cardamom pods, and they both smell very aromatic right off the bat. Next up is some tarragon. I'm going to go ahead and slap that out a little bit to bring out some aromatics, and then I'm going to stick it into the drink so it's floating and infusing in the gin and tonic as you're drinking it. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and talk about the lady of our hour. It is the Bitter Truth Pink Gin, my favorite gin. It's steeped in Angostura bark, and it really does take on those flavors. And it also looks beautiful. 2 ounces of the pink gin into our glass. All right. Add in another slice of orange. And I'm gonna grab a couple cardamom pods and clover spices and just put a couple in the glass to help the infusion go a little bit quicker. Alright, so next up is our tonic. So today we're using Fever Tree's Aromatic. It's also pink because it is also infused with Angostura bitters. So we get this same flavor going throughout the entire drink. Top this off with some extra tarragon leaves. And of course we're gonna smack them up and then place them gently in the drink. I'm going to go ahead and peel off a little bit of lemon, and I'm just going to spritz it over the top of the drink to add a little bit of lemon zest. But I'm not going to add it. I'm going to discard it, and then I'm going to go ahead and do our last very final step, just grate a little fresh nutmeg on top. I thought that the pink gin alone was my favorite thing on earth, but no, the pink gin with the aromatic bitters, the spiced ice cubes, the tarragon, the oranges, it collaborates so beautifully with each other, and then the lemon zest and the nutmeg on top just add everything you could ever need. It's bitter, it's floral, it's rooted, it's aromatic, it is the best flavor that you can come up with a cocktail, which is the Angostura bark, which is the base of so many cocktails existing in the world. And this just kind of is the most beautiful example I could ever think of for Angostura. This Angostura Spanish Gin and Tonic. I really hope you try it because this is the best drink that you could possibly drink in your entire life. Honestly, I couldn't have had a better gin and tonic anywhere else in the world. This is the perfect gin and tonic. Thank you, Spain, for teaching us how to bring out the best out of our gin and tonics, and I love you for it. Grazie.
That's Italian.
Gracias. In a world of political correctness, Sammy remains blissfully ignorant while she drinks her gin and tonics that, for what she knows, could have been from Peru. This has been Bar Under the Stairs. I'm Sammy, and you just learned how to make a Spanish gin and tonic. Let us know how you make your gin and tonics down below, and have a wonderful evening.